how to download YouTube Kids on iOS. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the YouTube Kids application on your iPhone or iPad. This is step-by-step guide which will ensure a safe and child-friendly viewing experience for your little ones. So let's get started. This application is available in iOS and Android both. I'm doing it on iOS. If you're having Android, you can follow similar steps. First of all, instead of going to your YouTube application, you're gonna head over to App Store or your Google Play Store. Once you do so, you're gonna go to the search bar and type in YouTube Kids. This is basically an entirely different application dedicated to kids only. So once you do so, you'll be able to see this over here that is YouTube Kids. So you're gonna simply click on Get. So YouTube Kids is a video streaming application created by YouTube specifically for children under 13. It offers a safer and more controlled environment for kids to watch age-appropriate videos including educational shows, cartoons, music, and DIY content. This app includes features like parental controls, time limits, and content filters to help parents manage what their children watch. So once it's installed, you're gonna head over, click on open, and you'll be redirected to the YouTube Kids application. And you can simply read everything, and after that you can simply sign into your account or simply skip. And this is basically for parents only, so you're gonna multiply it, tell the answer, and you're gonna choose a content experience for your child, whether your child is in preschool, younger, or older. And then you're gonna simply select, click on done, and then you can click on I agree. And that's it. That is how you can download and install YouTube Kids on iOS. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.